Hello, it's Tilly from Tilly Plans, and I'm here with a August EC setup, and this is what I'm using. I'm using these washies from Simply Gilded, this kit from What the Fox Designs, and then I've got some stickers I pulled out. So these are from Handcrafted by Shree, Careless with Plans, Ginger Cat Co, My Newest Addiction, and Jade Crafty Plants. And then I'm just going to pull out a few more from Poppy Willow Co, and Harriet Wright Designs, and Coffee Monster Co. So I'm just going to get these things out the way and get into a place where I can actually plan, and let's get started. For some reason I bought the normal mat over the blackout mat that I usually buy with What the Fox Designs kits, so I actually had to Tipex out a load of things, which was a bit of a pain, but I must have ordered the wrong thing. Oh well, these things happen, and I was super late ordering my August kit, and I got here in time, so I really can't complain. That's all because she has such quick ship times. I then also had some problems working out where on earth these went because they didn't seem to line up quite as they normally do. I've used her kits before and been absolutely fine, and obviously a PR for her, and I'm always going to be honest, like, it just didn't fit right, and I don't know why it didn't fit right. There is some news in that respect. She is actually going to be disbanding her PR team. I don't know when my code will stop working or if it has already stopped working, but Heather, the shop owner, has had a lot of health problems, and she just decided it wasn't the time to be trying to grow her shop and things, so unfortunately disbanded her PR team. So yeah, I'm not sure whether my code will still work. It will be in the description box. You're welcome to try it, and I do still recommend her stickers completely. So anyway, back to what I'm doing. I just finished the top layers, and now I'm putting the boxes down. I just cut them up into, because I changed to a Monday start, I just cut them up and put them in the right place, and then I'm going to faff about getting this top layer of date cover, this strip, into the right place for quite some time. I just couldn't, I don't know what I was doing with my life, I just couldn't get it right. Yeah, this is a bit of a hot mess plan with me, I'm not gonna lie. It's like super, like, I know most of mine are a bit of a hot mess, but this is particularly hot messy. I pull up a lot of stickers and things, and yeah, it's just, yeah, hot mess. Story of my life though. So yeah, I'm just putting down these two boxes to cover up the days that aren't in the month, and moving the top strip to make it fit. And yeah, as you can see, just trying to get things, I don't know why I try and get them so straight and so good, because it doesn't bother me, I don't notice otherwise. So yeah, then I've worked out that, yeah, that is the right place, and now I'm done messing with those, and I'm just going to pop these flags from Poppy Willow Co on. I got these in a D-stash, and they've just got that bit of silver foil in. I'm sort of using a mix of silver and hollow foil. I don't have very many hollow stickers, so I just use silver and hollow sort of interchangeably. I don't generally mix my metals though. I do sometimes. I do in my bullet journal. Alright, and then we're just covering up these other 2 days, and again, I'm just going to spend some amount of time trying to work out what is the best way to get them to fit. And I'm sorry, my hair and my head does come up into this video quite a lot, and I'm sorry. It's just, I like to be like right over to work out whether things are straight, and yeah, so it sometimes does that a little bit. So finally got those two straight, and we're gonna just cut off a little bit of excess where I haven't cut straight there, and then I finally think I'm happy with that after I've cut that off. So just get rid of that page, and then we're going to move on to the date dots. Now I've really sped this up so that it didn't take me like 3 billion hours, because, you know, there's a lot of date dots and there is a lot to get through, and just sticking the date dots down does take a very long time, and I didn't want you to have to watch like 5 minutes of me putting down date covers. So this is actually on 5 times speed, and it still takes like 2 minutes. So yeah, you can imagine how long the date dots take, but then it really brings the whole spread into the kit, and I'm glad I do it. So yeah, that is all I really have to say about that. I'm still putting them down. I really don't have anything else to say. So let's move on to talk about something else. So what I use my monthly spread for in my EC is just to have a look at what's going on in the month at a glance, to look at my work shifts when I could possibly see my other half, because obviously we're in a, well, not obviously, you don't know, we're in a long distance relationship, so working out when we can see each other, and when my family's away and when I'm cat sitting and things like that. Just like the big events of the month at a glance, including my work shifts, because, you know, work life. NHS life means different work shifts, and yeah. So, I mean, I love it, and I'm really happy with how this turned out in the end. I just love the subtle colours, especially against the like hugely bright colours that I'm using for my bullet journal setup this month. So yeah, I love how it comes out, and that is me done with the date dots. So moving on now, we're going to use washi to mark in some events that are going on. So my mum was at guide camp for most of this first week of August, so it was just me and dad at home. I just cut that flag wrong, I think, so I'm just recutting it. So I'm just using this confetti washi from Simply Gilded. I believe it is light blue or cloudy, I can't remember which is which. They're very similar, and I only have one of them, but yeah, I have the new, like, more recent one. So yeah, just using that to mark that off, and then I'm going to pull out some other washi. I'm going to use the 15mm purple mist with hollow silver. I can't remember which I use, and I don't have it in front of me. Which one is it? Oh, why am I this forgetful? It is, let me open it up. I use the hollow one because the other washi I use is hollow, although some of the stickers I use are silver. So yeah, that is the purple mist hollow 15mm bow, and I'm just using that to mark out my family going camping without me because it was my first week of work. And then moving on, I think I've straightened that washi up now because it's really wonky there. I just straightened up a date dot, and then I'm going to start marking in my work shifts with both purple mist, 10mm hollow foil and candy blue, and then I accidentally stopped filming, so yeah. So I've just gone through and done the latter half of the weeks, so all the Fridays with my work schedule, and actually all of the Fridays I'm working normal days. Hooray! So that's not too bad. And then I'm just going to mark in the 3 night shifts I have this month with these stickers from Handcrafted by Cherie and these washi strips from the kit. And I believe they are black foil, which is like, it's really cool. It's like glossy on a matte paper. I really like how it looks. I probably wouldn't necessarily get them again in black foil because it's not that different, but I do really like them, and I will continue to use them obviously because I ordered them. And yeah, Cherie is lovely and gave me a good deal on all of the foil ever. And so I'm really glad to be using them. I'm sorry if I sound a bit croaky. Honestly, I haven't had a drink and I've not been awake that long when I'm performing this voiceover, so I'm a bit like hot mess everywhere. So yeah, I think this is where my head really comes into shot. I'm using the candy blue to mark in my on-call shifts. I only actually have 2 this month because I have those night shifts and then there's a bank holiday, and yeah, it's actually not too bad a month work-wise. Sorry, yawning. See, told you I haven't been up very long. Which I'm glad of because it's my first week, other than this killer week that I'm just pointing at now, because I'm working 7 days. So I'm doing Monday to Thursday normal days, then Friday, Saturday, Sunday night shifts. So from 9 AM that Monday morning to 9 AM the next Monday morning, I am working 72 hours. It's going to be great. It'll be fine. Yeah, so then I'm just marking off the rest of the days. The week after that is only a 3-day week because of the night shifts, and the week after that there is a bank holiday which I'm about to mark. No, I'm not. I'm just putting in my key. There's a bank holiday, so that is only a 4-day week. So it's quite a nice month. And now I'm just marking off my key using the bits of washi over the sidebar and the stickers, some more stickers from Handcrafted by Cherie, just to mark off what I'm doing with my life. Yeah, so that is that done, and then I'm going to move on to day by day. Oh no, I'm going to pop the stickers down first. Didn't realise I hadn't done it yet. I'm ahead of myself. There we go. That's the stickers down. And now we're going to move on to day by day. So the first was my first proper day of work, so I'm just going to pop a sticker down to mark that. I just pop all the washi strips down for now, and then I'm going to go in with icons and things shortly to mark off what the things are. So that's the first. The next one I think I put down is on the 8th. I debate putting one over this washi strip, but I just decided it's not for the best. And then on the 8th, it was both my parents' wedding anniversary and it's my other half's birthday. So I'm just marking those in now with some washi strips, and I do have to cover up some of the Simply Gilded Washi to make it work because there's just too much on that day. My family's away, it's my boyfriend's birthday, it's my parents' wedding anniversary, and I'm on a long day at work. So I didn't really speak to anyone because it was an awful day at work. I got home quite late, I ate some food, and I went to bed. And it was an awful day. I just came home and cried, to be honest. So I felt quite bad. Now I'm just marking in that bank holiday that I mentioned before. I'm using that script sticker is from Ginger Cat Co. And the strip is obviously from the kit. I'm sorry, it's off frame. I will show you in a second. Yeah, there you go. And it's in silver foil there. Now I'm pulling out these Kay Elizabeth plans to mark the 2 camping trips people were on. I don't know when those stickers went down. The top one, the one on my parents' wedding anniversary, is from Coffee Monster Co, and the other one is from Jade's Crafts. And then, yeah, I put in those 2 Kay Elizabeth plans camping ones. Then moving on, we are going to also mark in my friend Liz's birthday, who I completely forgot about sending a card to and just ended up wishing her a happy birthday on Facebook because I'm a bit rubbish. Sorry, Liz. Not that you'll be watching, but you know what I mean. I might send a belated card, although it is nearly a week later now. And then finally, we're just going to pull out some more stickers. So we're going to pop down the 2 washi strips for the days that my medication prescription, I need new meds by, and I'm going to pull out some stickers to put on those. So I've got Planner Face stickers, GP Sticker Studio, and Choco and Mimi. So these ones are Choco and Mimi for that medication. I just use 2 Choco and Mimi ones, and then I use a Planner Face stethoscope for my first day of work. So then I'm just going to move everything out the way and show you the Viv Wiggle. I'm going to debate marking off what the other bits of washi mean, and then I decide it's not worth it and just pop those off again to the side, do another Viv Wiggle, and then I'm going to move on to writing things in. So I'm again using a Pigma Micron in 0.3 and a Tombow Food dual brush pen. Shocking, isn't it? It's like they're the only pens I really use and love. Yeah, so just writing in those few events, and that is it, I believe. So I will open it up in a second. I spelt my medication wrong because I'm not very bright. That's a lie. I'm quite clever. I just, spelled it wrong. So yeah, there we go. So one last Viv Wiggle, and then I'm going to say thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Please hit the notification key. I look forward. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.